Well, hello everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. So what I have for you today, first we're going to take a look at the dry piece from my previous video, and it was the blue. Take a look at this gorgeous piece. Look how gorgeous. It dried exactly as it was on the table and as it was blown out. Take a look at that. What do you guys think? I love it. And if you look, as the light hits it, you see that iridescent silver by Pebeo just pop on through here. It's a gorgeous piece, but you can never go wrong with blue. What do you think, guys? So today, I'm going to tell you what we're going to be working on. It's something a little different. Tell me how you feel about it in the comment section below once we're done with the video. So it's a 10-inch wood panel, okay? But it has a mandala already like printed onto it, if you see. So we're gonna do something like the dot painting. So that is what we're gonna be doing. What I'm using for this technique is Folkart dots. So I have a couple of colors I picked out. So Folkart dots, and this is a brilliant blue. I'm going to be using, what is this one? It says Babbling Brook is this color. Okay. This one is Snow White. I love the color and the name. And this gorgeousness is Grassy Meadow. How beautiful. So that is my color combination for this dot painting that we're going to be working on, this 10-inch canvas board. We're going to go ahead. We're going to get started. I'm going to let you enjoy the painting. It may take a little bit, so I might put you on a time lapse. We'll see how it goes. I'll start off talking and doing a couple of the kind of design that I want to layer, and then we'll see how that goes, and I'll speed you guys up. Thank you for watching. Let's get down to the canvas. We're going to go ahead and get started here. I have my board down. I have my colors here. And now I just want to start and see what design I want to do. So I'm going to be starting with the brilliant blue. And the good thing with this is I don't need to kind of tape anything in the back because I'm just putting the dots in the color order that I want. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm using this blue first. So I'm going to do the center dot. Okay. I'm just checking to see if it spreads out a lot, but hopefully it does not. Okay. I'm just gonna, I don't know. It's making me a little nervous over here because I see it coming down. So I'm just going to, should I take it off? I'm gonna take off a little bit. I haven't done this previously, guys, so we're doing this together. Okay, you know what? Let me start over. I'm gonna start over because the paint was coming over the other dots and I don't want to do that. Okay, maybe a little less. Okay, let's start again. Come on, Elsa. Okay, here we go. Okay. There we are. Is that better? I think so. Okay, and then I'm going to do my big circles in blue. So I'm going to do blue over here. Okay, I'm going to continue to go, guys. My next video, I am going to be working on that painting that I told you for my daughter. So she picked out her colors. I have everything mixed and ready to go. I was trying to convince her to do the video with me, but no, she doesn't want to. But I will definitely be working on that next. And hope she loves it. What do you guys think? I think it's looking good. Yeah. I'm just blowing out or at least hitting a bubble, air bubbles. So what do you guys think? I'm going to let some music play and I will be back with you guys, okay? I'll be right back. continue. I just want to show you. It is beautiful. But as I'm doing this for the first time, I am learning. So look how gorgeous it is. I'm not going to finish it on camera. But you want your paint drops to be a little less, because if not, they're just going to merge. As you see in a lot of the areas here, they're kind of merging. So I just finished off this end here so you can have an idea of what it looks like. I'll show you once it's finished, but probably I'm just going to scrape it and start again. So yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. I'll let you see it once I'm done. I'll be right back.